Another reason why I recommend planning in advance is because you pay a little bit each time, and by the time you actually go, you've already paid in full, and it doesn't hit so hard. So I can tell you right now, the cost is probably about $4,000, like total, and that's with my flights, with the hotels, and if I decide to go on that wine tour, that's separate, so I'll pay for that at the hotel. And it gave me a lot more time to think about other things that I need to take care of, such as when I looked back at that flight out of the States, that's when I realized that I have to go to a separate airport to fly out to Abu Dhabi. I tried, like I said before, to call American Airlines to rearrange that so that I could maybe fly out of Chicago, just so I could change maybe a terminal instead of having to go to another airport. But the chat on American Airlines, we got disconnected in the middle of trying to change my itinerary. The new agent came on and I had to start all over. And then we got disconnected and they couldn't help me. And they asked if I wanted to cancel the whole trip out. And I had already planned the flights and, internally. And I thought, you know what? It's already 6 months in the works. I'm not going to mess with it. So that is why it's 35 hours. There's a lot of little things. And then I thought to myself, 7-hour layover in Abu Dhabi, I'm going to be exhausted. So I was able to do some more research and I found a hotel in the Abu Dhabi airport. And they said that you can check in from 1 in the afternoon to 1 in the morning. However, the stipulation is that you can't stay in the hotel longer than like 4 hours. My flight lands in Abu Dhabi from Washington at 7 p.m. So I can check into the hotel like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and my flight out is at 2 in the morning. So at least I'll have a little hotel room. I booked the hotel room through Expedia, and I did a lot of research, and it was about $98. And I thought, at least I can take an hour or 2-hour nap in privacy and take a shower and be ready for my continued journey to Johannesburg. So that's what I did.